to you. The progress bar that shows how much of the video you've watched is in red. If you wanted to, you could actually change the color of the progress bar to white, and it's a very simple thing to do. So I've embedded this video using the embed code that Google has given me. I have the web address, youtube.com, and then I have embed. And then here is the video web address. This is the identifier for the particular video. Google's given me all of this code. And then this question mark rel equals 0 means don't show related videos at the end of the video. If I say rel equals 1, that means show related videos at the end of the video. But I don't want to do that. So let's say now I want to change the color of this little status to white. Those are your two options to either have it as red or white. We just add this little code and color equals white, and that's it. And then we'll go ahead and update the page, and I'm going to refresh this player here. And now if I play the video, you'll see as it's playing, if I forward this little progress along, it's actually put a white color in there instead of a red color. This is a little thing, but if it fits in better with the color scheme of your site to have a white progress bar instead of a red progress bar, Google or YouTube gives you that option to be able to have it with that color of progress bar. So that is how you change the color of the progress bar in an embedded